So now we're gonna start playing Air Wars 3. Again, we're gonna use the was functionality, and oops, man, there's a lot of people here. Okay, so I am, let me see. Okay, so let's click shift so we can press the turbo, and let me see, there's the red flag, so I guess I am in the blue team, so let's check it out. Let me try to grab this red flag. Okay, yeah, so that means I am in the blue team then. Try to attack me real quick, so okay. Okay, so where is the base? Okay, I can see the base right now. Okay, it took me. Oh man, I lose that flag. Let me see. So now I'm gonna shoot the blue ones. So let me see. Okay, but first I'm gonna pick the red flag. Hey, whoa! I almost collide against the runaway. So let me see, where is the? I need to go to my base so I can see. Oh man. Ah, I see. Yeah, I think this dude beat me at them. Okay, so yeah, that was cool. I was able to make it on time, so but now I just wanna shoot at those blue planes. So whoa! Oh, I almost collided them. Yeah, I messed it up. Oh, okay, so let me see. Yeah, I think he's gonna make it. So man. I just gotta. Okay, so I just start shooting at these dudes. So okay, so let's let that good dude go and let's start shooting somebody else. So I need to shoot the red ones. Okay, whoa. And let me see if I can grab this flag while I'm at it. So that's cool. So I grab the red flag, and let me see if, okay, so Alright, so now I'm gonna start shooting those red planes. So yeah, I think that's a nice color to fight against the red. I like to fight against the red color. So yeah, this is kind of narrow, but yeah, I think we can do it. So okay, so nobody took the blue flag, so I am this one. I have 2 flags, no kills. Yeah, that's fine. Let's check out the next round. So okay, I didn't destroy any airplane. Okay, so what's my name? Noob, whatever. Okay, where can I even see myself? Oh, okay. Yeah, so I need to shoot the red one. So alright, so I'm gonna grab this red flag. And I'm gonna go back to my base. Oops. Got a little excited there, so it's gonna be over there. Oh, that's cool. I can shoot while I'm using the turbo power up. Whoa, man, now they start getting me. Now I need to kind of like, hey, I can do this. I can still do it. Yeah. Whoa. Oh man, they captured the flag. I cannot believe it. So, you know what? I got tired of this stuff. I'm gonna just shoot at the red one. So, I don't know how that happened, but I'm gonna destroy the enemy. So, I think that's a better approach. Okay, that's cool. Oh no, you're not getting. Whoa! You're not getting away with that. Or maybe you are. So. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna destroy this dude. Yeah, I think I did it. Yeah. Oh no, he escaped. Damn. Okay, come on, somebody flag. Oh. Somebody took the flag. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, that's fine. Somebody else take the flag, man. I'm gonna start shooting these red ones. So. Yeah, I think if I continue to do this, maybe I can. Oh no, man. Oh man, I have to get some. Yeah, that's destroy, man. Whoa, somebody's taking revenge. Okay, that's cool. But whoa, yeah, you're not getting away with the flag, man. Let me see. What is this? Do this. Whoa. So let me see. I can take this one, and you're going down as well. I'm following, man. I think it's much easier just to destroy these planes before they try to grab the flag, but I cannot see some red one. Okay, I see it now. Let me see. Man, yeah, I mean, it's a bunch of missiles going after this dude. Oh yeah, and he's going after the flag. I mean, he got the flag, but oh come on. Okay, so there's no more fighters. At least I cannot see anyone. Okay. So you know what? I don't care about the flag. I'm gonna destroy this dude. That's a blue plane. Yeah, you can grab the flag, man. I don't mind that. Yeah, you grab the flag. So I don't know, but I saw a blue plane. I mean, he can grab the flag. So let me see where the enemy is. Okay. Hey. Ah man. You're not getting away. I'm following you. I'm following you. Okay, now I get you. Yeah, the cool thing about this, I mean, you have to shoot kind of like a far away and kind of like expect where those missiles are gonna come. So I cannot. Man, it's over for you, man. Oh no, the mountain. No, the mountain. Haha. Alright, that's cool. At least I have to have destroyed one airplane. So okay, so I am in the blue team. Somebody, okay, that's the blue flag. That's cool. I just cannot see anybody. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I mean, I am #1 now, so no flags but 3 kills, so that's what I like. Okay, so team red wins. Okay, so I need to change my name, Noob6295. What is that? So yeah, that's pretty cool. So